In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Walmart account in 25 with a step-by-step guide. Whether you're looking to shop online for groceries, electronics, or any of Walmart's vast product offerings, having an account will make your shopping experience more seamless and personalized. Let's dive right into the process and get you set up quickly. First, you'll need to access either the Walmart website or the mobile app. For those on a computer, simply open your web browser and type in www.walmart.com. If you prefer using a mobile device, head over to your App Store, either Google Play for Android users or the Apple App Store for iOS devices, to download the Walmart app. Once installed, go ahead and open it up. Now that we have the platform ready, the next step is to navigate to the sign up page. If you're on the website, direct your cursor to the top right corner and click on Account. A drop-down menu will appear. Here, select Create Account. For those using the app, tap on Account located at the bottom of your screen, then proceed to tap Sign In. From there, you'll see the option to create account, which you should select. Having reached the account creation page, it's time to input your personal information. You'll be prompted to fill in several fields, starting with your first and last name. Simple enough. Next, you will input your email address. Ensure that it's a valid and active email, as this will be your primary login detail. Moving on, you'll need to create a password. Remember, it needs to be at least 8 characters long, and it's a good idea to include a mix of letters, numbers, and special symbols for enhanced security. Additionally, there's an option to provide your mobile phone number. This step is optional, but it can be quite beneficial for receiving updates about your orders. The following step involves agreeing to Walmart's terms and policies. You should see links to the terms of use and privacy policy. It's recommended to give these a read-through to understand your rights and Walmart's guidelines. Once you've done so, check the box indicating your agreement to their terms. Finally, Walmart may require you to verify your email or phone number for security purposes. If you provided your email, keep an eye out for a message containing a verification code. If you opted to include your phone number, a text message with the code might be sent to your device. Once you've received your code, enter it into the designated field to complete the verification process. And there you have it. Your Walmart account is now set up, allowing you to explore and shop with ease. Thank you for watching and happy shopping!